इस वक्त हमारे साथ हैं द वन एंड ओनली शिल्पा शेट्टी राइट हियर इन द स्टूडियो विद अस। शिल्पा जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका यहाँ पर आने के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग ओवर हियर। And we know you have braved the traffic of Mumbai. You've traveled for 2.5 hours to get over here.
Yes, I was all the way in Parel. Yeah, so it took me a long time. It was worth it.
You were all the way in Parel, right? And please remember, Shilpa ji has come only for you. She's braved the traffic, she's braved the rains, she's braved the motorists of Mumbai and traveled 2.5 hours on the road just to get here in this studio, just to be with all of you. Absolutely amazing. Thank you very much once again.
It's a pleasure.
आपकी फिल्म गर्व अभी अभी आई, बड़े अंतराल के बाद, बहुत बड़े अंतराल के बाद आपकी फिल्म गर्व आई और वो हिट हो गई
जी. It's been God's grace.
Even though your role in it wasn't very much.
Yeah.
It was a smallish role.
जी. But I guess when a film works, it works for every artist working in the film. So it worked for me too. The different reasons an artist does a film. It was a great star cast, being produced by very big makers, and I'd taken a long sabbatical, so I needed, a good film coming up. So I guess it was a good move, and all's well that ends well. It did well.
And now this is the year of Shilpा Shetty, is that right? Because there are so many.
You make me nervous when you say that.
Because there are so many of your films which are coming up.
Yeah. Different films. There's a huge variety. This year is very crucial for me. इस साल आप बहुत ही अलग किरदार में देखेंगे मुझे. हर फिल्म में एक अलग शिल्पा शेट्टी होगी और बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है मुझे इस फेज में, because I've really tried to reinvent myself with every film, experiment with new genres, and it's just great work. This is the best phase of my life.
Absolutely amazing. And this is the new film which is coming, which is directed by Revati.
जी.
That's supposed to be quite a thing, isn't that right?
फिर मिलेंगे.
Yeah, which is. Could you tell us a bit about that film? Because we've heard so much about it.
It's a film that's produced by Percept, and it's also Sahara's baby. So it's a film that's very, very close to my heart. ये फिल्म मैंने जॉब सेटिस्फैक्शन के लिए की है. बहुत मुझे ये मौका मिला पहली बार इतने सालों के बाद कि मैं अपने टैलेंट को दिखाऊं लोगों के सामने. I just felt that I didn't know that I had so much within me. I think all the credit has to go to Revati for actually placing her faith in me and giving me such a great role.
And that is the very, very modest Shilpá Shetty talking. We have seen exactly what Shilpá can do over the years, and she's been absolutely brilliant in some of the roles. But your presence, screen presence, has always been marvelous. But as far as this particular role was concerned,
you call it a risk.
It's a film about somebody who's HIV positive.
Yes.
And the whole issue involving being HIV positive and later on perhaps suffering from AIDS and what it can do to your family, what it can do to yourself. Isn't that a bit?
Firstly, it's just a character, and I think it's high time we spoke about things, in the open. The reason I did this film was because I thought it was payback time to society. God's given us so much, and audiences tend to listen to us actors. God actually puts us in that position where we can actually make a difference to people's lives, and this is a great platform. Yes, the film does talk about HIV positive patients and AIDS, but that's not the be all and end all. It's a beautiful love story. It's got content, and I'm very, very confident. I not for a second मैंने एक बार भी नहीं सोचा कि मैं किसी किस्म का रिस्क लूंगी इस फिल्म को करने से. I think it was the right decision for me to do this.
And you also have Salman Khan and Abhishek Bachchan in the film. And that's a lovely star cast. There's you, headlined by you, and Salman Khan and Abhishek Bachchan, all three of you together. Wow, that's an amazing combination.
Yeah,
incredible.
The very few times you get it all,
and Revati as the director.
Revati as the director, a good director, great star cast, good script, a meaty role. So I kind of had it all. and there was no reason for me to, feel.
Amazing. Shilpa ji, we've got. May I see how many we've got SMSs?
Gee, please.
Let's
I'm
take
so
a look.
excited.
Let's take a look. All right.
एक दो तो आए होंगे.
All right. Now we've got 10 pages worth of SMSs so far, so which means about 250.
Oh wow!
250 odd have already come in.
Okay.
Now there are too many people here. This is Rahul Kamble. There are too many people out here who want to know when you're going to get married. I think we've received 100 odd SMSs to the effect as to when you're going to get married. Why would people want to know?
That's a very good question, though. Even I want to know when I'm going to get married. I really don't know. I don't know. I'm a believer in destiny, and there has to be someone out there. I really haven't met him. I'm dying to, though.
You're dying to meet that special someone whom you're going to get married to. Wonderful. All right. Now, if you guys have a special candidate for Shilpa that Shilpa ji should get married to, please do send in.
Yeah, we can have a swayamvar or something.
This is Smitha from Mumbai. Also, please tell us, how do you manage to look so slim, so sexy, so beautiful? You do it.
I really like this girl. Okay.
I assume Smitha is a girl. All right. So.
Firstly, thank you very much. I really don't know. I just keep working very hard, I guess. And I love reinventing myself every time. I'm glad that y'all guys out there acknowledge it and appreciate it. And that's all that I thrive on. Well, I hope I just live up to your expectations every time, and I'm just working towards, doing good work. That's it.
There's a certain Mr. Balasubramaniam from Mumbai. He says, I like your role in Chote Sarkar. I think you'll be brilliant in a courtroom drama as a lawyer. Yeah. It'll be absolutely wonderful if one could see you in a role like that. That's what he says. Yasrar Sheikh Saab पूछना चाहते हैं, how was your experience working with Salman Khan Saab? Could we know about Salman, please?
Salman's a very dear friend of mine, so I had a whale of a time working with him. मैं अभी कुछ 4 फिल्मों के ऊपर उनके साथ काम कर रही हूँ, तो बहुत मज़ा आया मुझे. बहुत ही कोऑपरेटिव आर्टिस्ट हैं, बहुत ही अच्छे ह्यूमन बीइंग हैं. So I enjoyed working with him.
There are a lot of people everywhere who've written. You have too many fans out there. There are too many.
That's so sweet. Thank you.
This is Murli Rao Saab. He's from Badala. He says, Shilpa ji, I'm a great pankha of yours. I assume he means fan of yours. And he says, I absolutely admire your performances and the manner in which you conduct yourself. And there are a lot of people who actually say, in spite of everything, in spite of whatever, you always keep smiling. Why is that? Were you born with that smile?
It doesn't cost anything. It doesn't cost anything. I'm a happy person, I guess.
And there are a lot of people who want to know, why is it that for almost a year and a half you didn't have a single release? Why?
Well, it wasn't planned. ये मैंने सोच के नहीं किया था कि मैं अगले 1 साल तक काम नहीं करूँगी. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. बस ये था कि मेरी कुछ फिल्में थी जो डिले हो गई, और उस वजह से वो फिल्में अब धड़ाधड़ एक के बाद एक आने वाली हैं. So this year I'm going to have some 5 releases. So that's pretty scary. लेकिन पिछले साल मैंने एक फिल्म की थी जिसमें मेरा एक कैमियो था, डरना मना है.
जी, that was a small film.
Yeah,
that was a small role. That was a
small role. All of us actors did like
that was Ram Gopal Varma's film, and it had a lot of stories in it, if I remember.
Exactly.
Yeah. And that was
an experiment of sorts. Yeah.
But it was a good experience to
It
go
was
through.
Bizarre, Rajiv. It was completely bizarre. I had to play this housewife who was scared of apples. So, I mean...
and turns into an apple herself at the end. Is that right? Amazing. This is a lot of people writing in from all over the place. This is Ramesh from Delhi. This is Anis from Aligarh. And I'm sorry, this is Ankit from Aligarh, Anis from Mumbai. Who is your favorite leading man? Apart from Mr. Bachchan.
No, please, don't do this to me. It has to be...
All right, Mr. Bachchan.
Him, okay. It has to be Amit ji.
All right, everybody's favorite hero is Mr. Bachchan. But we'll ask Shilpa ji, who is her favorite hero after Mr. Bachchan? After Mr. Bachchan, anybody else? Nobody else matches up to him, right?
No.